Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and you're watching iPhonetopics.com. Apple recently released the iOS 14 update for iPhone and iPad. It comes to some cool features that are really amazing, but most of the iPhone users are reported that can't update iOS 14 because their iPhone shows your software is up to date iOS 13.7. That sounds really annoying. Let's see how to fix this issue today in this video. First solution is delete iOS 13 beta profile on your device. Deleting the iOS 13 beta profile may help to solve your issue. To do that, launch settings on your iPhone or iPad, then select general, scroll down the screen and select profiles. Here you can see the iOS 13 and iPadOS 13 beta software profile. Select that one and select remove profile option. Enter the passcode if asked. Again select the remove option to confirm your process. Now go back to the software update and select customize automatic update option. Under the automatically toggle off and on download iOS updates option. Then go back. Now you can see the iOS 14 update. If you are still facing this problem, then follow the below solution to fix this issue. The second one is update your iPhone or iPad using your computer. For that, before starting this process, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet network connection. If you are using macOS Catalina, open the Finder app, or macOS Mojave or PC, open the iTunes. Then connect your iPhone to your computer. From the location, select your iPhone or iPad name, then select the general option. Now select the check for update option. If any update is available, tap on update. Then tap on next and select agree. That's all guys, now your phone will be updated to the latest iOS version. I hope guys this really helped to solve your issue with iPhone not showing up iOS 14 update. If you have any other doubt or suggestion, let me know through the comments and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Thank you.